Arellano University Clips.
There, no call. Asidre goes strong to the hoop.
Instead of gumawa ako ng puntos, more on leadership na lang ako sa Jimmy Alapag. More on assist talaga siya, pupuntos lang siya kung kinakailangan. Parang masyadong seryoso pero mahiyain. Parang meeting, yung mga ganyan, masyadong tahimik.
Asidre driving.
Magpapakitang gilas ako sa inyo.
Rocky Asidre off the glass. What a shot. Well, there you see the veteran. Nabanggit mo nga in the first quarter doon, no? Si Rocky Asidre, malaki talaga ang inaasahan mula sa kanya, Coach Koy Banal. Madami mga rookie si Coach Koy Banal dito sa Arellano University. So naghahanap ka ng mga veterano na pwedeng magbigay ng consistency game in and game out. As we see an awkward landing there para dito kay Ralph Salcedo. Here you see it, Parala with the up fake. And that's just the classic case of ang taas mo tumalon, bro. Pinag-uusapan natin ng consistency. Walang consistency ang shooting ng Arellano in the first quarter, shooting only 24% from the field. At ang mabigat doon, napansin natin, tumitira sa labas itong Arellano. They shot 0 out of 8 from the 3-point area. So, completely unsuccessful from downtown etong Arellano. Habang ang Mapua naman, isa pa lang ang nasushoot, pero they've only attempted 2 3-pointers. As Parala, continuing to play well, gets a short stab to go. And Mapua shooting well in the first quarter, shooting 42% from the field. Eriobu, pinasa kay Banga on the hook, no good. Rebounded by Mapua. Yung rebounding dominated by the Mapua Cardinals in the first quarter dito sa simula ng ating second. Nimes to Jamel Chen in the corner. Short stab from Mapua, 17-footer, no good. Here comes Forrester, barreling his way inside, loses the ball. Wild sequence so far para sa Arellano. Here's Pinto, driving inside, draw pass. What a play by John Pinto. At yun ang nagagawa ng magandang nilalaro nitong si John Pinto. When he drives to the basket, he attracts the defense. At pag nag-collapse yung depensa, meron naman siyang instinct na maipasa dun sa kanyang nalibreng teammate na si Prince Caperal. Ariobu is short from 3. Banga with the rebound. Pushes it ahead. Ito si John Pinto. Yellow all around him. They find Rocky Asidre for 3. 5 straight points by Arellano Chiefs. And Coach Koy Banal likes what he sees. Mas maganda ang ikot ng bola. Mas maganda ang pace ng tinatakbo ng opensa ng Arellano University dito sa first 2 minutes ng second quarter. As you see Pinto dropping it off to Banga. And then